Ever caught a girl giving you the look and wondered if it meant what you thought it meant? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the hidden signs of a high sex drive in women. Get ready to become a certified expert in decoding the subtle hints that scream, "I'm ready for action." Before we jump in, why not give your love life a boost? Check the link in the description or pinned comment to book a free 60-minute strategy call with our dating coaches. 1. She collects lingerie. All right, fellas, let's talk about the secret world of lacy treasures. If your lady's underwear drawer looks like Victoria's Secret had a clearance sale, you might be onto something. A woman with a high sex drive often invests in her lingerie collection like it's a fine art gallery. We're not just talking about your standard black bra here. Think silk, lace, and enough straps to make a rock climber jealous. But here's the kicker. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality and variety. Does she have different styles for different occasions? A little black number for date night, some comfy yet sexy boy shorts for lazy Sundays, and maybe even some costume-like pieces that make you wonder if Halloween came early? That's a pretty good indicator that she's thinking about bedroom activities more often than not. Remember though, some women just enjoy feeling sexy for themselves, so don't jump to conclusions. The key is to notice if she's eager to show off her collection to you. If she's doing more lingerie fashion shows than New York Fashion Week, well, let's just say you might want to clear your schedule. 2. She plays with suggestive items. Ever noticed how some women seem to have an uncanny ability to make everyday objects look, well, not so everyday? That's what we're talking about here, gents. A woman with a high sex drive might unconsciously, or very consciously, play with items in a way that makes your imagination run wild. Picture this. You're having a casual conversation and she's twirling her hair around her finger, biting her lower lip, or slowly tracing the rim of her wine glass. Suddenly, you find yourself mesmerized, wondering if you're watching a person or a hypnotist at work. These subtle movements can be a subconscious way of expressing sexual energy, but it doesn't stop there. Maybe she has a habit of applying chapstick with a bit more flair than necessary, or she fidgets with her necklace in a way that draws attention to her neckline. Heck, she might even turn eating a banana into an art form that would make a mime jealous. 3. She enjoys provocative jokes. All right, time to put on your comedy critic hat. If your lady friend's humor could make a sailor blush, you might be dealing with a high sex drive. We're not talking about the occasional dirty joke here. We're talking about a regular comedy routine that would make Bob Saget's roast look like a Disney movie. Does she have a knack for turning innocent phrases into innuendos faster than you can say, "That's what she said"? Does she giggle at double entendres that fly over everyone else's heads? If you find yourself constantly checking to make sure your grandma isn't within earshot when she starts cracking jokes, that's a pretty good sign. It's not just about making the jokes, it's about how she reacts to them too. If she's always the first one to catch the hidden meaning in a seemingly innocent comment, or if she lights up like a Christmas tree when someone drops a subtle sexual reference, you might just have a sex drive detective on your hands. 4. She's enthusiastic about physical touch. Let's get hands-on with this next sign, shall we? A woman with a high sex drive often craves physical contact like a koala craves eucalyptus. We're not just talking about bedroom activities here. This enthusiasm for touch extends to everyday life. Does she always seem to find a reason to brush against you, even in the most mundane situations? Maybe she's constantly adjusting your collar, or her hugs linger just a bit longer than usual. Heck, she might even turn grocery shopping into a contact sport, finding any excuse to squeeze past you in narrow aisles. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. Pay attention to how she responds when you initiate touch. Does she lean into your hand when you touch her back? Does she practically purr when you play with her hair? If she reacts to your touch like a cat in a sunbeam, that's a pretty good indicator of a high sex drive. Are you finding these tips helpful? Show your support with a like and share your thoughts below. And if you're looking to elevate your dating game, our free 60-minute strategy call could be just what you need. Learn to meet more women and date confidently. Book now using the link in the pinned comment. 5. She initiates intimate conversations. All right, time to put on your listening ears, gents. If your lady friend seems to steer conversations towards the bedroom more often than a GPS steers you towards your destination, you might be dealing with a high sex drive. We're not talking about the occasional, "How was your day" here. We're talking about a verbal tango that would make a romance novelist blush. Does she have a knack for turning innocent topics into steamy discussions faster than you can say, 50 Shades of Grey? Maybe she's always the first to bring up that new Kama Sutra-inspired yoga class, or she can't help but comment on the chemistry between characters in every movie you watch together. It's not just about the frequency of these conversations, it's about the depth too. If she's genuinely interested in exploring and discussing intimate topics, asking questions, and sharing her own thoughts. That's a sign of a healthy and active sexual mindset. 6. She dresses seductively. Time to talk fashion, fellas. If your lady's wardrobe looks like it was curated by a team of Hollywood stylists for a steamy romance flick, you might be dealing with a high sex drive. We're not just talking about skimpy outfits here. Seductive dressing is all about strategic reveals and leaving just enough to the imagination. Does she have an uncanny ability to make even a turtleneck look sexy? Maybe she's a master of the accidental nip slip, or her jeans always seem to hug her curves in just the right way. Heck, she might even make grocery shopping look like a fashion show, rocking heels and a full face of makeup to pick up milk and eggs. But remember, it's not just about what she wears, it's about how she wears it. A woman with a high sex drive often exudes confidence in her clothing choices, owning her look like she's walking the red carpet, even if she's just walking the dog. 7. High sexual awareness. All right, let's dive into the world of self-awareness, shall we? A woman with a high sex drive often has a heightened sense of her own body and its needs, kind of like a sexual sixth sense. We're talking about someone who's more in tune with her desires than a psychic is with the spirit world. Does she seem to know exactly what she wants and isn't afraid to ask for it? Maybe she's always the first to suggest trying something new in the bedroom, or she has an uncanny ability to pinpoint exactly what turns her on. Heck, she might even keep a pleasure journal that's more detailed than your high school biology notes. But it's not just about knowing what she likes, it's about being aware of her body's rhythms and responses. If she can predict her horniest days of the month with more accuracy than a weather forecast, or if she's always aware of how different factors affect her libido, you're dealing with someone who's highly in tune with their sexual self. 8. Sexual confidence. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about confidence, the secret sauce of sexiness. A woman with a high sex drive often exudes a level of sexual confidence that could make James Bond look like an awkward teenager at prom. We're talking about the kind of self-assurance that turns heads and drops jaws. Does she walk into a room like she owns the place, radiating an energy that's part femme fatale, part girl next door? Maybe she's comfortable talking about sex and relationships without a hint of embarrassment, or she's not afraid to take charge in intimate situations. Heck, she might even have the uncanny ability to make sweatpants and a messy bun look sexier than a lingerie model. But remember, true sexual confidence isn't about being loud or showy. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. If she's at ease with her body, knows what she wants, and isn't afraid to go after it, you're dealing with a woman who's got sexual confidence in spades. And there you have it, gentlemen, your crash course in decoding the hidden signs of a high sex drive in women. So what's next for you? Discover the phrases that make younger women fall for you, or learn how to tell if she's sexually frustrated. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.